Hi, I'm Cara Graver at the Cob Studio, and I'm here to show you knitting with bobbins. If you're knitting with more than one color, it's helpful to make a bobbin rather than knit with the balls all together. So how to make a bobbin goes like this. Put your thumb and index finger as far apart as you can get them. Grab the tail with your other fingers and make a figure 8. I think some people call this a butterfly too. I don't know though. And you put on as much as you're going to need. If you only need your color for one row, you won't need as much. If you need it for more, you can do it accordingly. Oops. Then take your finger and thumb out. And take another little piece. Tie it around. Not too tightly. And you want to pull the one that is coming from the inside. Now that's coming from the outside. So this is the one coming from the inside. So that will unravel as you need it. And then when you're knitting, you have something far less cumbersome to use. It's really simple to use 2 colors. But also quite easy to add a 3rd. I'm Cara Graver at the Cob Studio, and that was Knitting with Bobbins.